Welcome to IndianShareTips.com, and it is good news for India that domestic institutes are buying when FIIs are selling. Analysis of yesterday data shows that financial institutes have sold for 1000 plus crores and domestic institutes have bought for 300 crores. So generally it has been seen that near the peak domestic institutes sell. However, yesterday was a different day. Domestic institutes have supported the market, and so we are bullish that we'll be seeing 16,000 mark in Nifty soon. The event to be monitored is tomorrow when we have Reliance AGM, which will determine the future course of action. And as a strategy, you can see if Reliance goes up before AGM, that is today and tomorrow, then it is likely to go down after the AGM. And we are sure that Reliance AGM is going to give the final push to the market. Somebody will also say that why Indian markets follow the US markets. However, it is a harsh reality. Nasdaq future has given close above 14,200, and if it sustains above at this level for 2 days, then we are going to see USA Nasdaq touching 14,800 to 15,500 and 15,800 level. This is bullish for us, and we also need to keep an eye on USA results for Accenture, which will give direction to Indian IT stocks. So it is a harsh reality that Indian stock market follows USA market very closely, and one need to take this information with the sporting spirit, because we get a cue much before our own markets are going to react. Stocks to correction sector to focus will be auto sector, and stocks to focus will be Maruti and Hero MotoCo. One can invest in these stocks with a long term perspective to get good returns, because auto sector is going to get benefited with the thrust for electrification in the vehicle segment. And till expiry tomorrow, options for July will be expensive, and there will be premium decay and abnormal movement. Therefore, all those buying stock options must be careful. And for next month, so the stock options buying into next month needs to be careful today and tomorrow. Stay safe and subscribe to our channel, and we look forward for your association with us in form of our best bank nifty option tips or stock market tips oblique delivery tips oblique commodity tips. Do remember to use the mask, because corona has not yet gone. Don't become lackadaisical in approach. Thank you.